Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a very festive, kind of simple look that you can wear maybe out for dinner. I know Valentine's is coming around. It's my very first video, so I really hope you like it. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you have fun watching it. Hi again everyone, I hope that you enjoyed and that you were able to catch a little something and hopefully get some inspiration. I'm going to try to make videos every week, so if you want to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. You can also follow me on social media. There you'll see more pictures and fashion. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Mwah!